got more than one variable, you have to find the degree of each term by adding the exponents on the variable. So here, if I separate these into terms, the 5 is a term, the plus 2y is a term, the positive v to the 9th w to the 3rd is a term, and the negative 9w to the 9th y to the 5th v to the 4th is all one term. So your terms are separated by the plus or minus signs. A constant term that doesn't have any variables has a degree of 0 because there's no exponents on any variables. There's not any variables. Here, this term that just says 2y, that's a y to the 1st power, so it just has a degree of 1. Here I have to add. This is v to the 9th w to the 3rd, so the degree of that would be 9 plus 3, which would be 12. And then here I have w to the 9th, y to the 5th, and v to the 4th. If I add all those together, I get 18. So if I were to rewrite it, that term would go first, this one would go second, that one would go third, that one would go last. We really don't have to rewrite it to tell what the degree of the polynomial is. The degree is the highest one you get. So in this case, the 18 is going to be the degree of that polynomial. And so on number 5, if I separate those by each of the terms, the degree of the first term is 9. The second one would be 8. The third one, 0. And the fourth one, 6. And so the degree of that polynomial is going to be 9 because 9 was the highest one we had. 6, if I divide that up into its terms, the degree of the first term is 9, the second one,
0,
the third one, 10, and the fourth one, 9, and so my answer would be 10. Easy enough once you know what to do, right? The next ones we are adding and subtracting polynomials, and we sort of already did this, but now they just put parentheses around them before they